Thanks for joining me on my next video. As always, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me make more videos in the future. In this video, I've got the dryer kit that I purchased on Amazon. And this particular kit claims to be 26 feet in length, and it comes with 2 brushes and 15 of these rods. They're plastic, they're very flexible, and as you can see, they bend quite a bit. And they've got little plastic rubber things on the end here that you could just remove. That's the male end. This is your female end over here. And what you do, screw that into the brush. So just make sure that's tight. Now the trick is when you put this end into your drill, just want to get it roughly around this area here where it's not completely round into the chuck of your drill. Tighten that up in your drill and make sure you only go in one direction. Make sure you only go clockwise. Do not put your drill in reverse, because what may happen is this might come out and then causing you to lose your brush in your vent. As well, when you add additional plastic lines here, same thing. If you screw this in, that was the female end. Once you screw this in here, you do not want to go reverse with your drill, because that could cause it to come undone and you'll lose this whole thing inside your dryer vent. Some people say they put tape on the connection just in case. Prevents them from accidentally going in reverse and coming undone. You could do that if you wish. Once you start using this connection becomes very tight. I actually had to use 2 pliers to unscrew it. So, but if you want to be certain, you can put some tape around it. So all you really need is a drill. I'm not promoting any particular brand. I just got a DeWalt drill here. And you just put the female end into your clutch. So you put that into the clutch of your drill and you can tighten that up. So I tightened that up off camera and it's nice and tight. And it's ready to go. I'm going to keep adding additional lines to it. My particular dryer vent is about 21 feet, so there's lots to clean there. One thing you should do is put your dryer on fluff, so that way it's blowing air out and it'll help push any debris that you loosen with the brush out of your vent. So I'm going to go outside, start doing this and show you what it looks like. As I indicated, I already did start to clean my vent, but I thought it would be good to video it and put it up on my YouTube channel just so people can see how it works. It actually was doing a really great job. I got about maybe 2 or 3 of these inside the vent, and there's a lot of dust coming out, a lot of fluff. And having the dryer on was important, so it blows the loose debris out of the vent. I do want to show you what the dimensions are. If I take it from this point to this point, you're looking at about 18 inches. So they're 18 inches per rod. Okay, and I got 15 of them, so it's sufficient for me to do my 21-foot dryer vent. And having the extra cleaner head is convenient as well. You have other kits you could buy that are longer, but they only included 1 head, so I thought I'd just buy the 26-foot and see how it goes. Okay, I'll meet you outside. So here's my dryer. It's just a GE, nothing special. So I'm just gonna put it on the fluff, no heat air, and basically I guess it's 10 minutes automatic. I don't know if I can increase that or not, but anyways, that should be enough for me to hopefully get out there and put a few rods in and start cleaning and showing you how it works. So I'm going to start it up and make my way out. This is my dryer vent. I've got a little cage here just to protect it from any birds or anything trying to go in there. As you can see, there was a little bit of dust fluff in there that had gotten loose for when I first cleaned it. I want to show you just on the ground here. You can see all the fluff that's come out just from me having 2 rods in there initially when I first did it. So I'm going to put about 3 or 4 rods in and then see how it goes, and I'll videotape this to show you how much stuff comes out. So I've got about 5 rods connected. You can see that it's very flexible. That's just me holding the drill on one end and letting the thing just move on its own. I'm going to put it through the dryer and start drilling, and I'll show you how that goes. Okay, so I've got about 5 rods, 4.5 rods in there. I'm going to start drilling. And you can see all the stuff coming out. Okay, as you can see, there was quite a bit of fluff that was coming out. I'm going to continue to add more extensions and go as far as 21 to 22 feet and see how much more I can clean up. Just letting you know, I've never cleaned this. It's been about over almost 20 years that the dryer's been running. Yes, I'm crazy. I should have done it a lot earlier. So I've got quite a bit more extensions in there. I'm going to let it ride. From time to time, I do end up cleaning that grill because quite a bit of fluff builds up on it. So I know that it hasn't been completely clogged. So something good to do on a regular basis, and I definitely would recommend this. I mean, it's working out great, and the connections themselves are not coming apart. So I'm quite happy with it. So if you like this, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Thank you.